Hi guys, it's KB from Company here. I'm going to show you something really cool today. Just like literally like less than a half hour ago, uh, my dad was walking the dog, and this is kind of funny because there's a guy, apparently a guy in a panel truck took out a pole, the power pole. It has everything on it, the telephone, the cable, everything, but it's still intact, and it's really cool. So here you guys go. If you guys like it, go down and subscribe. And hopefully we'll see more funny things like that and more gaming and more of everything. So stay tuned and subscribe and support us. And alright, here we go.